What's the meaning of bunkum? Bunkum. Bunkum.
Bunkum. Bunkum. The term bunkum refers to something that is nonsense or rubbish. It originated in the United States in the early 1800s and is believed to have come from a member of Congress, Felix Walker, who gave a long and tedious speech that his colleagues deemed irrelevant to the topic at hand. He defended himself by claiming that he was speaking to his constituents in Buncombe County, North Carolina, and therefore his speech was not bunkum but important information for his constituents. Over time, bunkum has come to refer to anything that is nonsensical or meaningless in nature.